Hi, so today we will be discussing about the offline functionality in GetPOS. This is the store and the location that will be operating today. This is the user credentials and we'll select a POS profile user and also add an opening balance. This is the homepage of our GetPOS. Since we are connected to the internet, we cannot find any unavailable sign here. The moment we disconnect from our internet, we'll be displayed as offline mode. So currently we are in offline mode and you can see here we are offline. We can add any customer from here, provide a phone number to it and also add and create order. Customer has been created successfully. This customer we cannot see currently in the backend as we are in the offline mode here. I'll place an order in the offline mode. So sales order has been created successfully. This order will be displayed in the completed section here. Since we are in the offline state, this sales order is displayed here as off. The moment we'll turn on the internet, this will be displayed in the sales order section. We can also edit customer in the offline mode. We'll be providing an email address for this customer. The customer has been updated successfully in the offline mode. We can see here no internet connection has been displayed. Now we'll switch on the internet and here you can see background sync has been started and background sync has completed. So that your offline symbol has been disabled from here and you can see in the order section the sales order has been changed to sales order. Also in the backend you can see the customer that we created is displayed and also the sales order is also displayed here. So this is all about our offline functionality.